morning to everyone.
Sir,
Myself,
video.
Lakshmanan, Associate Professor, MEM School of Engineering. The program Industrial Automation using PLC SCADA 1 week induction program was useful and informative to me. The lecture delivered by resource person was very effective and the practical manner. About the PLC and SCADA was useful. It will be easy to explain to students also. Once again, I thank you to all principal, coordinators, organizers of the wonderful program. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor, for your feedback. I request Mr. Sanat Kumar, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If you possible, kindly turn on your video and give your feedback, sir.
Okay. Sure, sir. Sure. Sir, I am Sanat Kumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Srimati Kamala and Sri Venkappa Agadi College of Engineering, Lakshmeshwar, Gadag District, Karnataka. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the management for giving an opportunity to enhance my knowledge related to PLC, SCADA, DCS, that is advanced technology, and its usage in industries. Especially, my special thanks to Mr. Senthil Subramanian and team for organizing the induction program in a systematic way. I expect more and more program from your side, sir, in order to enhance our knowledge. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable suggestions and feedback, kind feedback, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks.
Sarvan Senthil available, sir? Professor Ravinder, sir, available?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, kindly turn on your video and give your suggestions and feedback, sir, please.
Definitely, sir. Sir, is it audible?
Yes, sir. We're fine, sir. We're audible and video is also clear, sir.
Okay. So, good morning, everyone present over here. Myself, Professor Ravinder Kumar Bhardwaj. I'm heading the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, as well as I'm here head training and placement officer. So I'm from Jammu, and it's our college is in Mahant Bichitra Singh of College and Engineering and Technology in Jammu. So as far as my experience, I have 19-year experience in this field. Actually, I'm BTech in instrumentation, I'm Tech in instrumentation, I'm doing research, PhD in the same core. So I have industries, I have both experience industry as well as teaching. So that's why I was very much, from the, 1998 till now, I'm connected with PLC and SCADA and all. But again, I'm telling you, every day I'm learn many more things. So as per, I'm lifetime member of IST, Indian Society of Technical Education. So due to this, I got this opportunity to connect with you. So now, as per my feedback of my concern regarding 1 week of this workshop, so I really thank you so much for this most interesting and inspiring workshop. I didn't only enjoy it, but have tried to practice it. I felt most lost in the midst of things and not sure what I was after. Now I feel more confident to do something. So totally enjoyed and learned a lot of, in a very comfortable environment. So the knowledge of all the presenters was totally amazing. Yeah. So in last, I congrats the entire team and principal sir, including the management of Shakti Polytechnic College Shakti Nagar for coordinates and made it successful of 1 week online induction program on industrial automation using PLC and SCADA. So I, thanks everyone who are present here. We are part of this workshop, and I'm happy to join again if I will get a chance to connect with you for another program. So thank you very much to all, and especially the coordinators, Senthil sir,
Yes,
for giving me the opportunity to speak over here, give the feedback. Thank you very much, sir.
thank you, sir. It's pleasure, sir, and thank you for your kind feedback, sir. Definitely, regarding the
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
materials, will share in the WhatsApp group, sir. All the materials as well as video will be also I'll share in 1 or 2 days. As well as PPTs are concerned, I will share in the afternoon or within the day. Thank you very much for your kind
Definitely,
participation,
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
In spite of your hectic
Thank you, sir. Thank
academic
you.
schedule, you are always connected. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Govindan sir, Ramakrishnan sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, kindly can you
Dr. Sendler, sir, I am ready to give the feedback.
kindly, if possible, turn on your video.
Shall I
Sir.
proceed, sir?
Can you turn on your video? If
Sure,
possible?
sure. Yes, sir, I'll do it now. Wait. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, one and all present. I'm very happy to be a part of this. This and IST sponsored program. Yes, our today's guest engineer Selva Kumar has rightly put it. We learned that the PLC is for controlling the gadgets, and SCADA is for the monitoring of the industrial automation thing. Nowadays, industry adopts these techniques for enhanced quality production to meet the requirements and match as well as with the week-long program online mode. May link and listen. Otherwise, visit one of the training centers like NITTR in Chennai and think of the time consumed in the traveling and the other arrangements. So such a nice program we had indeed for the whole week. We have been at home for in this program. I thank the AICTE for granting permission for Shakti Polytechnic in arranging this program. My compliments to the teamwork rendered under our ever enthusiastic Dr. Senthil Arasu, our HOD, in bringing out faculties and industrial persons, and even some guests were from the abroad. I compliment Mr. Dr. Senthil Arasu and his team, and also our principal and management in granting permission for executing these kind of activities. Thank you. Right from sensors, programming applications have been discussed, and we hopeful enough that participants disseminate their learnings to their students at their respective institutions. With this, giving the permission and participants for patiently listening to me. Thank you. There are other participants from many other states as well as from Tamil Nadu. I congratulate everyone for taking part in this program run by a prestigious aided institution in the situation, the rural background promoted by our Shakti Group. Thank you. Thank you. Once again, we will meet in another program. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jayar sir. Thank you, Ramakrishnan sir, for your kind feedback. Thank you, sir. Chandrasekhar, can you give feedback?
Yes, sir, available, sir.
If possible, turn on your video.
Presence nalla. Just a minute.
Okay. Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Chandrasekhar.
Sir, நல்லா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது சார் எல்லாமே.
Okay.
ஏற்கனவே வந்து நாங்க ஆன்லைன் மெட்டீரியல்ல கொஞ்சம் எடுத்து நல்லா படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தோம் சார்.
Okay.
அது வந்து நாங்க தெரிஞ்சு புரியுது சார். இப்போ வந்து நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருக்கீங்க. அடுத்து நாம ஆன்லைன்ல ஏதாவது எடுத்து படிச்சாலும் புரியும் சார்.
Okay, okay. Just introduce பண்ணிக்க one name and industries.
சார் எல்லாத்துக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் வந்து சந்திரசேகர் ஃப்ரம் திருப்பூர். நான் விங்ஸ் டெக்னாலஜிஸ் அப்படிங்கிற ஆட்டோமேஷன் கம்பெனி ஒன்று ரன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் ரிலே லாஜிக் வச்சுட்டு இந்த டெக்ஸ்டைல் மிஷின்ஸ், நிட்டிங் மிஷின்ஸ் இதை பத்தினால பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். அது போக விஎஃப்டி வந்து சேல்ஸ் அண்ட் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். பிஎல்சி அதோட ஓரியன்ட் இதில் வந்துட்டு நம்ம சர்வீஸ் பண்ணினாலும் அதை பத்தின இன்டீரியர் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் மற்றதெல்லாம் தெரியாதனால ரொம்ப இப்போ இந்த செஷன் மூலியமா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹோப் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இன்னும் நல்லா பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு சார். தேங்க்யூ ஆல்.
Okay. Thank you, Chandrasekhar, for your feedback. Saravana Kumar sir, available? Saravana Sendil sir?
Sir, வரட்டுமா?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. If possible, turn on your video.
அதான் turn on off மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay.
அதான் ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார், ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Yes. Yes, sir.
சார் இப்போ ஓகே சார், ஆடிபிளா சார்?
Yes, audible.
Good morning to everybody. Good morning, and first of all, I thank Sandeep sir for organizing this AICT FTP for the benefit of all the staff members. By using this FTP, the staff will be helping all the students in this industrial automation, the PLC and the SCADA, which is the latest topic. And I thank the Shakti Polytechnic team for cooperating with him and completing this FTP in a successful manner. Thank you, one and all, sir. Nalla edutanga. All the experts have been excellent persons, especially from USA. International FTP is very different. As it is from international person, we can have this as an international FTP. Okay, congratulations for the future endeavors. Thank you, sir.
Sir, introduce yourself, sir, please.
Sir, myself, MPS Saravana Sendil from Rajagopal Polytechnic College, EC Department, HOD charge, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
I am one of the participants in this FTP.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, Kalayvani ma'am, Are you ready to give feedback?
Yes, sir. It was very wonderful session, sir. PLC and SCADA. Can you hear, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, audible, ma'am.
Sir, I am Kalaivani, Sri Ranganathar Institute of Polytechnics, HOD ECE from Coimbatore. Sir, it was very wonderful session, PLC and SCADA, sir. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அந்த மெடிடேஷனுக்கு ஒரு மேடம் ஒன்று எடுத்தாங்க சார். அது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது சார். நல்லா ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. ஆர்கனைசர்ஸ் டீமுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிக்கிறேன் சார். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார்.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Kumaran available, sir? Kumaran, sir? Saravana Kumar, sir? And Gandhimani, ma'am? Muttumari, sir? Sujin, sir, available? Saravanan, sir?
Hello.
Yes, Sujin, sir. Sujin Kumar, sir, kindly give your feedback, sir, please.
Sir, myself Sujin, sir. You are doing a great job, and this opportunity is very useful to us.
Sir, introduce yourself,
I didn't
sir.
expect like this. Obviously good. We need more classes like this. Keep it on, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, yourself, kindly introduce yourself. Kumar from which college, sir? Yes, Kumaran, sir.
Sir, this is Saravanan.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Sir, actually நான் வந்து இங்க Hexagon Nutrition International Private Company ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், இன்ஜினியரா இருக்கேன்.
Okay, if possible, turn on your video, sir. Possible, sir?
Yes, sir. ஆக்சுவலா ஃபேக்டரியில இருக்கேன் சார். ஸோ அதான்.
Fine, sir.
ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது சார். இப்போ PLCs வந்து எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஆப்டான ஒரு செஷனா அதை எடுத்துக்கிறோம் நாங்க. என் ஃபேக்டரிக்கு டவுன்லைன் பீப்புள்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி. ஸோ கோஆர்டினேஷன் ரொம்ப சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சு சார். நல்லா இருந்தது எல்லாமே. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இது மாதிரி கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பா ஜாயின் பண்ணி சார் எங்களுக்கு இன்டிமேட் பண்ணுங்க சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Thank you for your participation, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Saravana Kumar, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Professor. Yes, sir.
I am from Mohammed Sadak Polytechnic College, Kilagarai, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Video also clear. Kindly proceed, sir.
Okay, sir. நான் மெக்கானிக்கல் பேக்ரவுண்ட்ல இருந்து வந்திருக்கு சார். பட் இது எனக்கு ஒரு வித்தியாசமான ஃபீல்டு, நிறைய விஷயங்கள் கத்துக்கிட்டேன் சார். ரொம்ப நல்லா ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க சார். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார்.
Thank you, sir, for your participation and feedback, sir. Angraj, sir, available? V. Senthil Kumar, sir. Gandhimani, ma'am. Kumaran, sir. Kumaran, VPTC.
I am Kumar, State Polytechnic College, sir.
Yes, sir. Kumaran, sir, please.
சார் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் 7 days ப்ரோக்ராம் நல்லா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு சார். PLCல நிறைய லேர்ன் பண்ணோம். நிறைய விஷயங்கள் எங்களுக்கு நிறைய சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க. யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. ஐ எம் ஃப்ரம் விக்னேஷ் பள்ளி காலேஜ் ஃப்ரம் திருவண்ணாமலை. ஐ எம் மெக்கானிக்கல் லெக்சரர். எங்களுக்கு நிறைய டாபிக்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. பேஸ்ட் ஆன் PLC ஸ்கேடர்லையும் நிறைய லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த பேஸ் நாங்களே எங்களோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் விஷயங்கள் நாங்கள் ஷேர் பண்ணுறது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு சார். வெரி தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Okay. Thank you, Kumaran, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Gandhi, please, ma'am.
I'm Gandhimati from VRS Engineering College, Viluppuram, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Before attending your FDP sessions, I have less knowledge about the PLC and SCADA. After attending your program, we may gained more knowledge about the PLC and SCADA program. So I wish to special thanks to our all resource persons and your organization for especially Sendil and Barasa sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your participation and your support, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Lakshmi, ma'am,
Thank you.
available. Lakshmi, ma'am. Dr. Lakshmi, ma'am, available. Vinod Kumar, sir. Muttumari, sir, available. Lakshmi, ma'am. Okay, thank you all for your kind words. And afternoon, we'll have a valedictory function exactly at 2:30 p.m. Professor Vaidya,
Hello,
executive.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Please turn on your
Hello,
video.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes, yes,
Sir?
audible.
Sir?
Audible, yes.
I'm audible, sir.
Yes, madam, audible. Proceed, kindly proceed, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. At the end of this All India Council for Technical Education and Indian Society for Technical Education sponsored 1 week induction program on industrial automation using PLC and SCADA. I feel proud to present feedback about this program, sir. Hello?
Yes, madam, audible. Kindly proceed, ma'am.
Okay. I express my respects and humble gratitude to the Honorable Commissioner and higher official authorities of AICT and ISTE, sir. And also my sincere thanks to Principal Sakti Institute of Technology and coordinator of this program for their valuable coordination for this successful conduct of this program, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Hello.
Yes, madam, audible, madam. Yes.
The participants counted as one of the we participants counted as one of the grades of learning for the year, especially considering the current pandemic situation. This program proved that knowledge sharing and learning has no restrictions and boundaries, sir. In my point of view, most of the participants have acquired the sufficient knowledge of configuring, programming, installing and operating industrial automation systems using PLC, SCADA and DCs. So on behalf of the organizers and the participants of this program,
Yes.
it is my immense pleasure to thank all eminent resource persons, faculties from various institutions and industries for their valuable presentation and sharing of their knowledge with us, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
Yes, madam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your active
Thank you so much,
participation.
sir.
Support, thank you, ma'am, for your kind words and support.
Okay, thank you, sir. I am very tight with verifying the draft copies of valuation
Yes,
since I am
understood,
acting
ma'am.
as a observer.
Yes, understood, ma'am. And thank you for your active participation and kind words about the program. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anybody
Thank you
is willing to give the feedback? Kindly unmute and they can give your feedback. Yes, Kumaran sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Okay, participants, thank you for your feedback, kind feedback about the programs and active participation of all the participants. And Actually, in the afternoon, we'll have a feedback session exactly at 2:30 p.m. Professor Vaidya, Executive Secretary of ISTE, and Mr. Lakshmi Narasimhan from General Manager of Brakes India Limited body is kindly consented to be the chief guest of the afternoon function. Please kindly join exactly at 2:30 p.m. Thank you, and kindly complete the assessment test before that. Thank you very much. We'll meet at 2:30. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.